Hi everyone, welcome to California. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today I'm going to show you a remedy for hair loss. This is herbal medicine for hair loss. Let me show you the ingredients I'm going to use. So this hibiscus flowers, and these are hibiscus leaves, okay, and curry leaves. Curry leaves are very good for hair growth. And hibiscus, when I was small, my mom used to make hair oil with this curry leaves and henna also. And then this is rosemary leaves. If you don't have this, it's okay. And this is amla, nellikai. This is frozen one. We don't get fresh ones here in USA, and this is a frozen one. We get it like this in packets. Call it amla or Indian gooseberry. Okay, so I'm using all this. That's it. This is how I preserve my hibiscus. It's very hard for me to find in this area where I live, so I get it from friends from a few miles away in different town, and I wrap them in newspaper and put them in plastic bag and then leave them in the fridge. It'll stay fresh for a few days. I'm going to use all this, make paste, and that's the paste. I call it the miracle paste. Okay, and I'm not going to use everything because you just need for one time. Every day, just make fresh and then use it. Okay, don't make so much and leave it in the fridge, then it loses its effect. So just use about 2 flowers for each time. For one person, just use 2 flowers. Okay, so let's grind this. I'm going to put the stem also. Okay, and this is some dried one. That's okay. 2, okay, 3. I think me and my husband will use this. I'm using 4 flowers, and curry leaves. For one person, use about 15 leaves. Okay, to make paste for one person for one time, use 2 hibiscus flowers and about 15 curry leaves. The leaves, okay, 15 of those, and one amla, and about 6 to 7 leaves of hibiscus. Okay, hibiscus leaves. And just a little bit of rosemary. Okay, so I put about 4 flowers, and I'm going to put the curry leaves. I'm not counting, I'm just putting it like this. And then I'm going to slice this and put, let me see, this is just going to break it. It's frozen, so it's soft. So if you have fresh one, it'll be excellent. I'm going to put 2 gooseberries, since I put 4 flowers. And then these are hibiscus leaves. If turned yellow, that's fine. Okay, let's grind this. I tried to grind it in the grinder. It doesn't grind properly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grind this in my new ammical. This is my new ammical I bought. As soon as I bought this ammical, the grinding stone, I prepared it by grinding raw rice and some dried beans several times until all the stone dust is all gone, and I washed it several times. So the amicale is ready for grinding now. I'm using this amicale after so many years. When I was a little girl, I used to grind curry leaf chutney in this amicale when I was in India. The original stones are very heavy, so this is like a lightweight, but still it's good. Because of the hibiscus flower, the paste is turning nice pinkish color. I think that's enough. Okay, this is the paste. Okay, so rub this on the area where you're losing hair or balded already or you're balding. Rub it nicely and leave it for 30 minutes to 60 minutes, half an hour to 1 hour. Leave it and then wash it nicely. You can use any safe shampoo. Just wash it and do this every other day for 3 months, and you will see the results. I haven't seen somebody growing hair in the balded area, but my niece said she saw it, so I trust her. And so this is a miracle paste. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope this paste will help a lot of people who are losing hair or balding already. And please share this this medicinal recipe with as many people as you can, and I hope it helps them, and I can safely call this a miracle paste. And I know hibiscus and curry leaves are very good for hair growth. It's proven in my life. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and please ask your family and friends to subscribe as well. And I will be back soon with another interesting video, interesting recipe. And until then, take care and thank you for watching.